Look at all the mud ducks.
Go hunting Russian style.
You're gonna jump off with put a knife in your mouth and jump in there.
Do that. I should get one of those M4s and 9s. Where we go like these boats like I think really far. It's like 70 miles away from here.
Right, that's far.
Like that's big that.
Looks like a storm's coming. Look at the clouds. What you think about that, Louis? You think we're gonna get stuck out here in the rain? Louis? Louis. Yeah, if we break down, you gonna swim?
No.
To go get help?
No.
Then how are we getting back? Because we don't have no oar, we don't have nothing. How about if we take off your shoe and use it as a paddle?
No.
Alright, hold that. Film. Watch your finger.
Oh.
You ready?
Sure. There's no problem with dropping.